welcome to Mercy Video Styles channel. In today's video guys, I'm going to jump right in the video. As you can see, that's the way my living room was, and I removed the sideboard. I love it, but I just want to change the look a little bit. I use the TV as a decor fireplace. Right now, I wanted to use the wheel thing, and this fireplace is functional and is modern. It goes perfectly with the decor, and you see it in my previous home decor because this is the old fireplace that I had back in 2020, so it's still good, still look gorgeous. Okay guys, this video is in collaboration. Sungreat sent over to me this functional must-have hammock. Sorry my French guys, I have a heavy accent. And guys, it's super easy to put together. Made of 2 layers quilled polyester fabric with polyfiber filling, is cozy and best for camping guys. It's spring, going to be summer guys. You guys need to go out. As you can see, the quality of the material, I cannot tell you how long gonna last me because I just have it, but I can tell you my family already enjoying it. The pad is detachable guys. For me that live in Florida, it's easy for me if there's a hurricane, so I just remove everything and put it inside. As you can see, the material, I don't know how long gonna last, like I said, but I'm loving it. It's nice. It made my backyard very nice, and my kid, that's where they want to stay now. My grass is not done, and I'm doing some heavy work in my backyard because I'm doing some planting. My garden, I'm going to add a pool and other stuff, make it very nice for my kid. But meantime, that's what I have so far, and I really love it guys. If you want something to make your outdoor space cozy and you just relaxing, doing, it's not too hot right now, is the time to do so. As you can see guys, this part, that's where I'm doing my planting. Those are gladiolus. I'm planting in all the border of my fence, so to make it very nice. So once I'm finished with everything, so my fence would be very good. So having this hammock is very nice. It's gonna make my backyard where the kid want to stay. So guys, the garden's gonna be for another video, but now it's like I'm just showing you what I have so far in the back. If you want a hammock like that, the link will be in the description box down below. Feel free to check it out. And guys, as you can see, my son loving it. All the kids, my nephews, they come in just to enjoy in the back. So I really love it. I don't show the other side of the backyard because I'm still working on it. I'm gonna save it for another video. Make sure to check the link in the description box down below if something like that interests you. For me and my family, we're loving it. Okay guys, let's go back to finish up the living room and keep on watching.
Someplace that will make her feel better, make her feel better, then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Somebody say, don't be afraid of love. Cause that is all you got in the end. You got in the end. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like she's whenever she leaves.
If you are new here, welcome. My name is Mercy. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you'll be the first person to know. In my channel, I do product review, clean with me, DIY. If you're not new and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so today. To all my subscribers, thank you so much, guys. Without you, I will never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for every single one of you guys. I love you all and keep on watching. Guys, you will see a lot of arrangement that I do. I just gonna move them places. That's the way I do to decorate my home. And I don't do a lot of shopping haul because gee, I have so many things inside the house, so I haven't used yet. But those flower arrangement, I used it in the previous video. I'm not doing too much in this living room right now, but I'm going to work in my lighting because I already have the chandelier. I just don't have time to put it together yet. And guys, I'm going to change the rug in my next video. And right now, I'm adding flowers, you know, spring. So just little touch of pink to change the look a little bit. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoy the video and keep on watching.
Come a little closer. I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at you do.
Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours. C'est la première fois, moi c'est tout bienvenue. Non, moi c'est merci. S'il vous plaît, guys, pas oublier abonner et puis partager vidéo avec famille aux amis. Et si c'est pas la première fois tout, moi tout, merci un pile pour support. S'il vous plaît, continuez à regarder cette vidéo. Moi maintenant. This pillow I got it from Home Goods and I bought 4 of them. I have 2 in my bedroom and those 2 I put it here because I love them. They like luxuriously beautiful. I love them and they go perfectly with my decor. Just add my throw. I can never go on with my throw because I love it. Okay guys, this is the finished look. Let me know down below what do you think if you like it. If you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share the love with your friend and family. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you. Even if you don't like it, I still want to hear from you guys.
Do you want this too? Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know, and I ain't playing no games, baby.
I moved the curtains I here, which is I love. And guys, if you're somebody that don't like too much thing in your home, so is that recommended for you? But me, I didn't like the empty space, so I needed to do something. And it make the living room look beautiful, as you can see. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours. Si vous êtes ici pour la première fois, je vous souhaite la bienvenue. Mon nom est Merci, guys. Je vous en prie, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner et de partager. À tous mes abonnés, un grand merci mes amours pour votre support. Je vous aime. Okay guys, that was all for today and thank you so much for taking your time watching the video today. I love you all and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!